Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use knife in the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, if you have already installed the game on your device, then go ahead and open it up and then log into your account using your credentials. You can either use your Facebook account to log in, or you can also use your Call of Duty credentials. Now after logging into your account, you can go ahead and start any match that you want. Once your match has started, if you wish to use your knife, then you will need to get close to any player, and when you get close enough to an enemy player, you will find a knife icon at the left side, and you will be able to use the knife by simply tapping on the knife icon that will appear instead of the trigger icon. And once you tap on it, your player will automatically use the knife in order to kill the player that they come in contact with. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use your knife within the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.